EDaily Conversation.
Hello! Emma, wait for me.
Hurry up, Alex. The mall is busy today.
Emma, I cannot find my phone.
Did you leave it in the car?
Oh, wait. It is in my back pocket.
Good. Do you have the shopping list?
Yes, I have it on my phone now.
Great. We need to buy many things today.
Should we go to the clothes store first?
Yes, that is a good idea.
I need a new jacket for winter.
And I want to look at some dresses.
Look! The entrance is right there.
It looks very bright and colorful inside.
I like this mall because it is big.
Me too. Let's walk faster.
Okay, I am ready to shop.
Don't spend too much money, Alex.
I will try my best to be careful.
Let's go inside now.
Look at this blue jacket, Emma.
It looks very warm and soft.
But is it too big for me?
Try it on and see.
I think this is a medium size.
It fits you very well, Alex.
Really? I like the color a lot.
Blue is definitely your color.
How much does it cost?
Look at the price tag on the sleeve.
It says $50.
That is a very good price for it.
Do they have it in black, too?
Let me check the rack over there.
No, I think I like blue more.
Then you should take the blue one.
Should I get a scarf, too?
Yes, a gray scarf would look nice.
Okay, I will take both.
Now, let's go find my dress. I want a dress for the party.
What color do you want, Emma?
Maybe red or pink?
Look at this red dress here.
Oh, it is very long.
Do you like short dresses more?
Yes, I think short dresses are cute.
Here is a short pink one.
Let me see. The fabric is nice.
Where is the changing room?
It is next to the mirrors.
I will wait for you here.
How do I look?
You look very beautiful, Emma.
Is it too tight on the waist?
No, it looks perfect on you.
I think I will buy this dress.
Good choice. It is very elegant.
I also need some new shoes.
Let's go to the shoe department. These sneakers are very cool.
Alex, you already have many sneakers.
You are right. I should be careful.
I need some black high heels.
Look at these on the shelf.
Those are too high for me.
What about these flat shoes?
Those are comfortable for walking.
But you want shoes for a party.
True. I will try these small heels.
What is your shoe size?
I wear a size 38.
I will ask the shop assistant.
Thank you, Alex. You were helpful.
They have your size in the back.
These feel very nice and light.
Do they hurt your feet?
No, they are perfect. I love them.
Great. We have the dress and shoes.
Now we need to buy a gift.
It is our nephew's birthday tomorrow.
He is turning 5 years old.
Does he like toy cars or books?
He loves everything about space.
Look at this toy rocket.
Wow, it even has lights.
And it makes a loud sound.
He will be very happy with this.
How much is this rocket?
It is only $20.
That is a great deal.
Do we need wrapping paper?
Yes, let's get some blue paper.
And a birthday card, too.
I will write a nice message.
You have a very good heart, Alex.
I just love our family.
Okay, the gift is ready.
One more stop, the supermarket.
I am getting a bit hungry.
We need milk, bread, and eggs.
Don't forget the fresh fruit. I want some apples and bananas. The oranges look very juicy today.
Let's get a bag of oranges.
Do we have enough coffee at home?
No, we are almost out.
Grab a large jar of coffee.
Should we buy some chocolate?
Only if it is dark chocolate. I found it. It's on sale. Put 2 bars in the cart.
Oh, the cart is getting heavy.
We have everything on the list.
Let's go to the checkout counter.
There are many people in line.
We can wait for a few minutes.
Did you bring the reusable bags?
Yes, they are right here.
Good. It is better for the earth.
I agree with you, Emma.